Come, let me tell you a tale. A tale of plants.
It is a sad tale, so first we will cook.
Of the trade-off, but you use all of these things together to compensate. Looking at himself in the mirror, come for it.
We will see how long I can keep this accent up for. What point in the video I forget that I'm doing an accent. The tale of the plants. And like I said, this is a sad tale. It is a tale of the plants that did not survive. So where to begin? There was good intent with the plants, love and care put into them regularly. Sometimes plants are just hard to care for. You just don't mesh. You know, some plants apparently don't like that much water, and other plants apparently like water. So, let us begin. First there were the ferns. Ferns were so pretty. Loved the ferns, but the ferns don't love Montana. There are a few ferns still alive in this place, but most of them have met their end. More than likely due to improper watering and sunlight. Take note. Then we had the pilia. Moon Valley pilia. There was so much excitement for the pilia. She had seen the pilia on a trip to Indonesia, hiking through the jungles, all in the rainforest. She loved the pilia then. Pilia did not love her. No one's quite sure what happened to the pilia because it's doing fine, and then it just wasn't. More than likely, this is due to lack of watering, because it is a tropical plant that probably likes a lot of water. Oh, the pilia. That was the best plant that came in the mail. Then, the watermelon peperomia, which met an unfortunate end for the second time when I dropped it before the filming of this video. If it was still alive, which it may have been, it's probably not anymore. Oh, the watermelon peperomia. So much to say about that plant, yet so little. Thought that it was just a regular. She thought that it was just a regular watermelon peperomia. Oh, the disappointment when the leaves just didn't grow. Then she knew it was just a mini. It's not a real one. Perhaps it was too much water that killed that plant, I think. Not really sure because I still don't know if it's dead or not. Then she lost another peperonia. I forgot the name of this one, so I'll have to subtitle it in. She really liked that one. It was a hanging plant, you know, trailing. She likes those. We think that that one probably met its demise due to, again, too much water. Which seems to be the theme for this place, that place, this place. I think that that one probably also had poor sunlight, so probably a double whammy there. Shall we continue? The white fusion calathea. Do you remember that one? Well, that one just had bugs. And then there was the coleus. The coleus that she thought was a begonia. No longer with us, but not that disappointed, to be honest, because I didn't really care that much about that plant. She didn't really care that much about that plant. Never really grew into much of anything, so kind of quit caring. She kind of quit caring about it. What accent I'm even using at this point. I think I've changed 10 times. But you know, in the face of sadness, there is happiness, because more plants are alive than dead. And she lived in a house full of plants that lived, and they thrived, and they lived long, and they grew. But some didn't, and that's what this tale was. The tale of the plants. The plants that didn't make it. And on that note, the story is over. She'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have any feedback, comments, just want to chat, that's what the comment box is for. Instagram, we're on there. You can find me, her, us, at Simple Care Steph on Instagram, or simplecareproducts.com, or all the things you know. Please do like this video if you liked it. I promise I won't do any more like this, but you can still like it. Subscribe, all those things. Thank you so much for watching. Best of luck to you. You have plans. We'll see you next time.